Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a list of strings to an integer list in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you have a list of input data that is in the form of string values and you would like to convert that to an integer list in order to perform calculations or analysis on it. So I'll be showing you how to convert a list of strings to an integer list in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave just written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see. And I'm just going to create my list of strings. So that's basically my list of strings. Now to convert this list of string values to a list of integer values, it's obviously not as easy as saying int of x. You can't really do that because it's a list. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a list y, and then I'm going to be using a for loop. So I'm going to say for I in x, and I'm going to convert all of these elements in list x to an integer by saying int of I, and I'm just going to assign a variable to this, so then I can say y dot append y of s, which basically means that I'm putting all of these into my empty list y. So now if I print y, it will give me a integer list as opposed to a string list seen here with list x. And there you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to convert a list of strings to an integer list in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.